As always, and I can't say always, most of the time, churches got upholstery work like this. This is the second time this thing has came in absolutely phenomenal on a church job. This is awesome. This is actually for stretching carpet, but on this glue down upholstery work, you can't beat it, man. This commercial carpet's stiffer than a regular carpet, so doing all this with your thumbs is a freaking killer. I use this every time I'm able to on a commercial carpet. You might say, oh, ain't them hooks gonna pull the thread? I've not done it thus far all the way around this thing. On the other church job I did it on, I had a couple here and there, not very much at all, not definitely worth the trade of this to do this and have a couple small pulled things that I could snip off. So definitely worth the trade. Watch right here, come in real close and let's take a look. See those claws right there? They're not really sharp here. On the back side of them, they have they've got a nice bite right there on the back side where they actually grab. So almost straight up and down like that right there. Hook it, pull down. Now that is pulled nice and tight, tucked up underneath of there, right there. And it's even got a spot there and a spot there so that I can shoot my staples in it. So again, right in those couple spots and one on each side, just like so. Pulling it down. The thing about making it not slide is, I'll show you in 1 second. Okay. All right, so instead of just real lightly sticking it up here, you're gonna wanna push it down on there pretty good. Put some pressure on it the whole time you're pulling like that, okay? Don't just stick it on here and do that. It will slide right over top and pull loops for sure. So stick it on there, you know, dig it in there a little bit, pull down on it. That is not going nowhere. Did you see how hard I was pulling on that? And then move down, do it again. Move down, do it again. That pushes it right underneath there. Really nice. Just get it worked there. I don't actually do that, but just to show you how it gets a good bite there. That's why I was doing that consecutively like that. But just getting it on there. Boom, boom, boom. This is a crane stair claw, I believe is what it's called. And it's freaking worth it, and it's freaking awesome. Go get you one.